Hello dear students, welcome to online classes. So today we are going to read our first book, that is Behind, and we have another book also, that is Moment. So today we will discuss the first chapter, The Fun They Had, and it is written by Isaac Asimov. So today we will discuss about the story which has been set in the future, and now we are reading future in present tense, means in present tense. Okay, so let's start. So before you read, the story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study them? The diagram below may give you some ideas. Now, as you are facing this situation, this problem, nowadays as it sets in the future, but now you are studying by online only. Now you can understand very easily this experience that you can have, and you can feel it what is mentioned in this story. Okay, so actually, you know what, the writer Isaac Asimov is just talking about the story which is just set in the future, and he also talked about that when books and schools, as you know very well that recently you are coming to school for studying, but now once again due to COVID-19 you are at your home. So once again you are supposed to read this chapter by online only from your home only. Okay, but the question is what? How will children study them? The diagram below me gave you some ideas, and now these are the diagrams which will help you to understand the situation of that time which said in the future, and now you can feel it very easily, you can understand it very easily, because now you are studying by online only. Okay, let's start with this. Yes, learning through computers. So I hope that you people are just studying this chapter by online, means by mobile only. Okay, so this is the first thing that you are, means that you can understand that the child is sitting here, and this child is just studying by how? By system only, by laptop, by desktop, by mobile, or means by tablet also. The next one is what? Virtual class. Now you can see here the child is just sitting on the chair, and he or she just studying by computer only. Okay, and this you can check, you can see the classrooms, means what is situated, means what is there. As you know very well that when you come to the school, so in the classroom you find so many things like smart class, like podium, like green board, like fans, like chair and table, chalk, duster, books, copies, pen, bag, everything is there. And the most important thing is that what? Your classmates. And we, means teachers, those who teach you in the class. This is a real class. And now we are just talking about that. This is what? This is a virtual class. And in virtual classroom you can understand that what you can see in that classroom. Okay. Now, coming to the moving e-text, means next diagram. Now you can see this is a desktop, keyboard, mouse, sound, means everything is kept there. So with the help of this system, laptop, desktop, your mobile, and your tablet, you can what? You can slide chapter wise, and you can open any chapter. Means it is very easy to understand, it is very easy to open it. As we know that we just open the book and we turn the pages and we read it. But here, how you are going to start studying? By laptop, by desktop, by tablet, by mobile. Means here you can see that whatever the contents are written there, that will be in the moving form as it is there. Okay, now you can see. Now, the next part is what? Robotic teacher. As we are human being, but in those days, means in 2157, because this story is set in what? This story is set in future. Okay, so in those days, the people, means the teacher will be not a human being, the teacher will be a robotic teacher. What is the difference between a robotic teacher and a human being, means human teacher? We have feelings, they don't have feelings. We can understand your feelings, we can share each and everything, we can teach you well, we can explain you well. But what about the robotic teacher? A robotic teacher is just like a computer, means it is just programmed. It is just programmed, means whatever the program is fixed there, that will be functioning according to the subject. Okay, now, so we will see that the next point. In pairs, discuss 3 things that you like the best about your school, and 3 things about your school that you would like to change. Write them down. Okay. Now, as you know, you already have a lot of experience as you are coming to school. Okay. So you can write 3 points about your school, 3 best points you can write about your school, and you can write 3 points about that what you want to like to change, means what you want to like to change in the school. So you can write in your rough copy. Okay. Now we'll see the next point. Have you ever read words on a television or computer screen? Have you ever read? Before that, means before 1 or 1.5 years, if I ask this question, so definitely you would say no sir. But now you can say yes sir, I have read, because now you know very well that for 1 year we are just suffering from this problem, means corona. Okay, so can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers and there will be no books printed on paper? Would you like such books better? Now the question is what? Can you imagine a time? Now can you imagine a time? It's like after 10 years, 20 years, 100 years, 200 years, 1,000 years. Can you imagine that when all books will be on computers? It's up to you. Now you can imagine. Now you can understand. Okay. And there will be no books printed on paper. Would you like such books better? So now you just think about it. Means you just think about it, that can it be possible that after some years we don't have books, or we will be having books but not in a printed way. We will be having a book on a screen. Okay, so let's start with this story. Okay, so now look, the first paragraph. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Okay, so now the story starts. So there are first character, that name is Margie. Actually, you know what? She was in the habit of what? Writing a diary every night. So on that night also she wrote a diary. She wrote a diary, and there she mentioned about Tommy, Miss another person, Miss another character. Miss, we got 2 characters. First one is Margie, and the second one is Tommy. Okay, so Margie wrote, and when did she write? She wrote on 17th May 2157. And which year is going on right now? 2021. Okay, now you can understand that we are talking about 100, means more than 150 years ago. Not ago, after. Okay. So here she wrote a diary on 17th May 2157, and there she mentioned about Tommy, means about a real book that Tommy had found. Okay, it was very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather, see, now actually you know what? Here, when Margie just wrote about this diary. He just wrote about that real book in her diary. So she said that once her grandfather was a child. So his grandfather, Miss Margie's grandfather's grandfather. Okay, now you can understand the generation. Okay, first Margie's father, Margie's grandfather, Margie's grandfather's father, then Margie's grandfather's grandfather. Okay, now you can understand the generation. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 or 6 generation that is going on. Okay, now see. So here what happened? So once Margie's grandfather told her when he was a child, so his grandfather told him that what? Told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Means everything, whatever they were reading at that moment, it was not on a screen. It was just like on printing paper, means printed. Okay. So they turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Okay, suppose I just open this book. Okay, I have opened. And already Margie's grandfather's grandfather told his grandson, means Margie's grandfather. Okay, so he told in his old time the books were not on the screen, the books were on printed way. Okay, so it is also mentioned here they turn the pages. Now you can turn the pages. Okay, they turn the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and you can see that yellow. Okay, yellowish means different types of color you can see, and it was crinkly, means you can hear the sound crinkly. Okay, and it was awfully funny to read, and it was totally different from today's, means present books. Okay, if we compare to present book and the futures book, so there will be a big difference between the present and futures books. Okay, words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. Okay, as recently when I touched that, it just disappeared from here. So once again I just went there and click on that, then I came, means it came up. Okay, but here it is very easy to turn the page number 91 like that. We can easily turn it. Okay, but it is very, means when we touch it, so it will just move here and there. So and then when they turn back to the page before, it had the same words, means whatever the words that you have read on the particular page, so you can turn it again and you can got that page again. Okay, the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time. Okay, so whatever the page the person supposed to read the first time, they could also get it again. Okay, so I hope that you have understood this first paragraph and the situation when the people that the people will be studying their chapters, their subjects in future. Okay, because this story sets in the future, so we are just reading a story which has been taken place in future. So we will continue with the second paragraph tomorrow, okay, in next class. So thank you so much.